Alright, power up, and then you will accelerate going downhill for sure.
Yes, sir.
Last to perform the maneuver is Austin.
Flying is dangerous, and the type of flying we do is dangerous. And the margin for error and time to think about it is none and none.
Alright, let's go.
And I love that.
Everyone breaking high pattern. Everyone in heading 115.
That first roll in, that was the first time that I've been scared.
Make sure you say off safe.
Everyone off safe.
How you feeling up there?
So looking at the ground like that for the first time is way different than the simulators.
So you're fighting it a little bit?
Yeah, that wasn't nice.